Hello, and welcome to Speak Easy English. Please, if you enjoy our podcast, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It really helps us.
Hi everyone, I'm Leo.
And I'm Sophia. Today, we're going to talk about something we all have, our daily routines.
That's right. We'll learn how to talk about your day in simple English. Let's start. What time do you usually wake up, Leo?
I usually wake up at 6:30. I need more time in the morning because I move slowly. I like to stay in bed for 1 minute. I think about the day. I see the sun or hear birds. It is quiet. What about you, Sophia? What time do you wake up? Do you like early mornings?
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I like to sleep a little longer. Early mornings are okay, but I need rest. Do you use an alarm every day? Is it loud or soft?
Yes, my phone alarm is loud. It beeps until I stop it. I put it across the room. I have to get up to turn it off. It helps me start the day. What wakes you up? Do you use a clock too?
My alarm too, but I push snooze one time. 5 more minutes is nice. I close my eyes again. It feels warm in bed. After you wake up, what is the first thing you do? Do you stay in bed?
I stretch in bed. I move my arms and legs. It helps me wake up. I breathe deep. Then I get out of bed. I feel the floor with my feet. It is cool. What do you do first, Sophia? Do you move slow or fast?
I open the curtains. The light comes in. It makes me happy. I see the sky outside. Sometimes it is blue. Sometimes it rains. Do you brush your teeth next? Is it your first job?
Yes, I brush my teeth first. I use mint toothpaste. It makes my mouth clean. I look in the mirror. I smell at myself. What do you do after you get up?
I brush my teeth too. Then I wash my face. I use cold water. It wakes me up. My face feels fresh. Do you take a shower in the morning? Every day or sometimes?
Yes, every day. A quick hot shower. I use soap and shampoo. The water is warm. It feels good on my skin. What about you? Do you like showers?
Yes, in the morning. I use soap that smells like flowers. It is nice. The shower makes me clean. After the shower, do you get dressed? How do you choose clothes?
Yes, fast. I put on jeans and a t-shirt. They are easy. I like blue jeans. What do you wear in the morning?
I wear a shirt and pants. I choose them at night. I put them on the chair. It saves time. Now, breakfast. What do you eat? Is it big or small?
I eat toast with butter and a banana. It is quick. The toast is brown. The banana is yellow. I like fruit. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal with milk. It is easy. I pour milk on the cereal. It gets soft. Do you drink coffee? Hot or cold?
Yes, coffee. Black coffee. It gives me energy. I drink it from a cup. It is hot. Do you drink tea? What kind?
Yes, tea with sugar. It is warm. I stir the sugar. It tastes sweet. Do you sit to eat breakfast at a table?
Yes, at the table. I look at my phone. I read short news. It is fun. Where do you eat your breakfast?
At the table too. I sit with a chair. After breakfast, do you make lunch? What do you put in it?
Yes, I make a sandwich with cheese and bread. I cut it in half. What do you make for lunch?
I take yogurt and fruit. The yogurt is white. The fruit is red apple. Do you go to work early? What time?
Yes, at 7:15. I go by bike. The bike is red. The air is fresh. What about you? How do you go to work?
I take the bus at 7:40. I listen to music. I have big headphones. The bus is yellow. At work, what is first? Emails or list?
I write emails. I answer them. Some are from friends. some are from boss. What do you do first at work?
I write a list. Things to do. I number them 1, 2, 3. It helps me remember. When is coffee break? Morning time?
At 9. I drink more coffee. It is strong. When is yours? Do you like breaks?
At 10. With the biscuit. The biscuit is sweet. Breaks make me happy. Do you talk to friends at work? What do you say?
Yes. We say hello. We laugh. We talk about food. Do you talk to people at work?
Yes, a little. I say good morning. At noon, it is lunch. Are you hungry? Very much?
Yes, very hungry. I eat at my desk. The desk is wood. Where do you eat lunch?
In the kitchen. It has a big window. What do you eat for lunch? Hot or cold?
Rice from last night. It is warm. I heat it up. What do you eat for lunch?
A salad with tomatoes and green leaves. It is fresh. After lunch, do you feel tired? What do you do?
A little. I walk around. I see the office. What do you do when you feel tired?
I stretch my arms. It feels good. My arms go up. Do you have meetings? When?
Yes. At 2. It is short. We sit in a room. Do you have meetings too?
Yes, at 3. On the phone. I talk loud. Do you eat a snack? What kind?
Yes. Nuts. At 4. They crunch. What do you eat for snack?
An apple. It is red and round. When do you finish work? Happy time?
At 5. I go home. I say goodbye. When do you finish work?
At 5:30. I check my list. How do you go home? Same way?
By bike. It is nice. The sun goes down. How do you go home?
By bus. I read a book. The book is small. At home, what first? Shoes?
I take off shoes. My feet are happy. I put shoes in the box. What do you do first at home?
I change clothes to soft pants. They are gray. Do you cook dinner? What food?
Yes. I cook eggs. Easy. I fry them in a pan. Do you cook dinner? What food?
Soup. With vegetables. Carrots and potatoes. It boils. Do you eat alone or with people?
No, with my friend. We talk. We eat at table. Do you eat alone?
Yes, with TV. The TV is on. What do you drink with dinner?
Water. Cold water. From a glass. What do you drink?
Juice. Orange juice. It is sweet. After dinner, do you wash dishes? Right away or later?
Yes, right away. With hot water. The water is soapy. Do you wash dishes?
Yes, in the sink. I use a sponge. Do you exercise? Run or walk?
Yes, I do yoga. 5 minutes. I sit on the floor. What do you do to relax? TV?
I watch TV. A funny show. People laugh. What do you do to relax?
I read a book. A short story about animals. Do you eat before bed? Snack?
No, just water. It is cool. Do you eat before bed?
No, I brush my teeth again. What time is bed? Early or late?
At 10. I sleep fast. The bed is soft. What time for you? Do you sleep good?
At 11. I dream good about happy things. That is my day, from morning to night. Wake up, work, eat, sleep. Now you try. Say your day in English. Start with wake up.
Yes, good idea. Listeners, tell us your wake-up time and your breakfast. We like it. What is your favorite part of the day?
Yes, tell us. We read all. Practice English every day. It is easy. Thank you for listening to Speak Easy English. Bye.
Bye. See you next time. Keep talking about your routines.